Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. From wherever you're watching this video, welcome to the Backyard Bounty Garden. Today, guys, I'm going to be doing my 5th harvest of the year. In fact, maybe 5.5, because there are times when we actually come and pick. But this is like a major one, so I'm not going to be counting those small harvests. I'm going to be only counting the major ones. So today is the 5th one. So let's go. I always like to start from the beef tomatoes. I don't have many beef tomatoes today, as you can see. Yeah. Chop it off. Fiddling with my phone. There we go. Now I'm just going to be sailing. Because I don't need to be cutting, do I? So here we go. Yeah. Let the fun begin. Yeah. Look at that, guys. You feel like actually putting them straight into your mouth, you know. Actually, in those days at home, especially when we used to go and harvest peanuts, groundnuts, we just pull from the ground. You don't go with any food, you just go with water. That's all you need. And you pull, you just open with your dirty hand. It doesn't matter, because as long as you can be careful enough to not to mess up the seed from the inside, then you're good to go. You know, and we never felt sick. We were just always healthy and happy. So yeah, it's amazing what nature can provide, isn't it? It's amazing what God has made already available for us to get, you know. It's already there for you to get. Just find a way of getting it. Waiting for you. It's waiting. Yeah? But you got to take a step. If you want something, you need to take a step. What can you do? Ask yourself. If I want to be harvesting my own vegetables this year, what can I do to achieve that? This does not make you any less of a person. Whether you're a doctor, any kind of professional, this is fine, because professionals also eat. Doctors need eating. And these are healthy food for doctors, nurses, teachers, you know, artists, you know, singers, whatever your profession is. This does not make you any less of a person. So don't think that, oh, you know, well, me, I'm a professor. You know, I am a doctor, I'm a surgeon. I don't have time to be wasted. You can't actually still make time. You can, because this thing doesn't need too much of your help. We're not going to be in your garden 24/7, are you? Just do the planting and go and do your doctoring. Go and do your nursing, and leave the plant to go to do his job. But all you need to do when you come back from work, maybe, or before you go to work, just water them. That's all you need to do, just water. And that's it. Yeah, before you know it, just give it 2-3 months, you're harvesting. Is that a bad thing? Yeah. So, saying. I'm just saying. I'm a nurse myself. I'm a gospel artist. But this is still my passion. I still love to plant and get my own things, you know. So that's it. So don't feel like this is like a low kind of job to do. This is for your own benefit, for goodness sake. This is for your own benefit. To benefit you and your children, to benefit you and your friends, your loved ones. Is that a bad thing? No. So go ahead. Cross that boundary of your being locked up in your professionalism and in your expertise in whatever you're doing, and still, you know, this. In fact, even when you come back from work, imagine you come back from work and then you come to your garden and you do this. It will make you feel this did something different to do. It will make you feel good. Well, maybe it's just me. I feel good. And to God be the glory. I feel good when I'm doing this thing. I feel good. Yeah. It's not much. This is a mini kind of thing, but this is what I could do with the space that I had or I have. This is what is coming out of it. Yeah. And by the grace of God, I will keep on doing it again and again and again. I'll keep doing it. Make sure, of course, if you are to travel somewhere, just like people with pets, if you have a dog or a cat, but having a cat doesn't tie you down. You cannot say, oh, I can't travel because I have to take care of my cat. It's good to take care of your cat, but you are a human being. You also need a vacation of some kind. So when you are going for a vacation, appoint somebody trustworthy, somebody that you can trust. Either a family member, a friend, anybody that you feel that can look after your cat, your dog, and also for this matter here, your garden. Somebody who can come and water your plant. Maybe once every morning or once every other day until you come back, you know, so that you don't come back and find that all your plants have dried up because you were not around to water them. No, plan well. Before you travel, plan well. And for people with children, if you cannot travel with the children, if the brothers are old enough to look after the younger ones, that's okay. But if not, you still find somebody trustworthy, somebody that you know will not let you down, somebody who loves your children sincerely, somebody that the children know and somebody who knows the children, you know. But if you can go with them, even better. Yeah, so that's my little piece of advice. God bless. I'm going to have it today. I'm going to get much more than I got the last time. It's a lot. I feel a lot to be harvested. It's a lot. It's a lot. For those who are interested, anyway, it's okay. Inbox me. If you would like some of these tomatoes, inbox me. Then let's talk. Okay? You know, guys, I never really used to like eating fresh tomatoes. But one day, actually, the reason why I started, one day, when I was very young, before even I started primary one, because my father was also a keen kind of agriculturist. So he had this, I saw him, he had these big beef tomatoes in his hand. And then I saw him just munching, and I saw the way he was enjoying it. Then I said, wow, that thing looks so nice. I think I want to taste it as well. And I found my way, and I tasted it. But I did not like it. I said, what? This thing is not even nice. And my father was enjoying it. He was just eating it like, like when you're eating mangoes, eh? When you're eating mangoes, you eat it wholeheartedly because mangoes taste good. That's the way my father was eating the fresh tomatoes, and I thought it was nice, but I didn't like it. So really, for many years, no, I didn't eat it. But now, since I came to this country, I realized, oh, this is something healthy. It will cleanse my blood. It will improve my skin. And then I started actually just eating it maybe in sandwiches. I started eating them like, like small ones like this. I started eating them. And I realized that they were not bad. And knowing that the benefit of tomatoes, now I eat it religiously. Now I eat it. Whenever I get the opportunity. I can put it even on my toast, put it under the grill, maybe with a little bit of cheese, something like that. A little bit of salt and pepper. Or for those who don't want salt at all, you don't have to, because actually, tomatoes already has its own flavor. Even if you don't put any salt, it will still be alright. So, yeah. Now, that's how I enjoy my tomatoes. Yeah, that's it. Okay. See guys, hey, wow. You see? So here we are guys, a little bit more than the last one I harvested. And you see, time to go to the market. Oh yeah, this is, you know, our women do that. If you know, in the village there, when they harvest, some of them they live for the family, some of them they take it to the market and they make some money to buy maybe paraffin, or to buy maybe soap, to buy maybe something for the children, you know. So yeah, but anyway, I'm just having fun with this. God bless you guys. Thank you. Bye.